My bike died.
Did it die or did it stall?
It stalled and I couldn't start it.
Yeah, what's wrong with your bike? Uh-oh.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Z. Good to see you, sir. Z, when we finally got our chicken fried steak, I guess what we got wasn't really chicken fried steak.
Yeah, you weren't really a big fan, and it seems like everyone else in the comments weren't a big fan either.
Yeah, I think we got the wrong shit.
What were we supposed to get?
I don't know, but it was supposed to come with white gravy.
You know how we were confused on the difference between country fried steak and chicken fried steak?
I remember.
I looked it up. There is a difference. Country fried steak usually comes with that brown gravy, and chicken fried steak usually comes with that white creamy gravy.
I wrote it off, man. I said that's it for me. Chicken fried steak, it's probably not for me. After reading all the comments, today we're gonna get some legit chicken fried steak.
Dude.
At least I am. I don't know what you're gonna get, but this is my third attempt at getting the right shit. If we don't get it this time, I'm done. We're moving on, man. Dude, I found a spot. We're going to Corky's, Z.
Corky's, where's that?
Ladera Ranch.
Chicken fried steak.
Then we'll see Bob and grab a soda. Chicken fried steak. Our quest continues. This is the last time, though, unless it's absolutely amazing. Sure is a fine day for a run, sir. Before we move too far along in this video, I want to thank all you guys that are watching it. Give a little special love to the Patreons. Really appreciate your support. So after this whole chicken fried steak quest is finished, what other types of food should we hunt down? I feel like cheeseburgers are pretty played out. Nobody really eats hot dogs anymore. Had our fair share of burritos already on this channel. What should we go after next? Pizza? We haven't really done a lot of pizza on this channel. Pizza. I could do that. Haha. My bike died. My bike died.
Did it die or did it stall?
It stalled and I couldn't start it.
Yeah, what's wrong with your bike? Uh-oh. Push start?
That's the only option.
Down the hill.
Damn. Come on, bike. Stay with me. Oh, shit. How embarrassing. How many people are laughing at me? We are here. Hello.
Hi, Rachel?
Yep.
Go ahead and choose a table. I'll bring you some silverware.
Thanks.
Well, you can't sit inside. He's got to be out here. Or he could be in there.
All right, Z, Corky's. I feel like chicken fried steak has been redeemed. This was good. This was really good.
I had a little slice. It's better than like Denny's chicken fried steak or IHOP or something.
I'll order this again. I would come back specifically for this. This was good. All you guys in comments, you saved the chicken fried steak. You kept it in my life. What did you end up ordering?
I got the Cobb sandwich, which was turkey, bacon, avocado and stuff.
Blue cheese.
Man. The bread was crisp, toasted just right.
Did it tear up the roof of your mouth?
No.
Have you ever been to Corky's before?
I don't think I have.
Will you be back?
I think I'll be back.
Yeah.
And here, they have a killer breakfast here.
Their desserts are huge too. Everything you saw on the table today came out to about $31.
Not bad.
Yeah. Let's go see Bob get an ice cold soda pop. Oh, think this thing's gonna start? Haha. She runs. Corky's chicken fried steaks, man. Woo! Dude, I'm not gonna be afraid to order another one now. Let's go see Bob. I don't have anything for Bob though. Good, how about you? Bob's been cleaned out.
Oh, his cock is back.
His cock's back. He's got a little ribbon on him.
I think I'm gonna try some lemon lime soda.
The Jones?
Cane sugar. The Jones.
I think I need to drink something healthy after that chicken fried steak and all that gravy.
If you want something healthy,
Yeah.
rich in vitamins.
Doctor, enough is enough. Is this what the doctor ordered? What do you think it tastes like?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Ah, it's so refreshing.